ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining for the about of the if any capacitor is connected with the one of the electrical circuit, that time the capacitor is how much energy is stored. Energy stored in a capacitor. Now how much energy is stored in a one capacitor? Now the capacitor is connected with the one of the battery or cell time. That time the positive of the battery terminal is connected of the capacitor of the positive plate, and battery of the negative terminal is connected of the capacitor of the negative plate. Now battery of the positive terminal of potential and capacitor of the positive plate and capacitor of the negative plate having, means here the capacitor of the charge is the total, suppose Q having. If you now here how much, if you the cell or battery or potential is continuously moving, means that time this capacitor how much energy is stored. This capacitor energy stored one means now here continuously charge is bringing, continuously adding of the capacitor. If you one charge is adding of the capacitor, means that time the work done is done. Here small charge is adding of the capacitor, means that time small of the small work done, small charge dq is adding. Now small work done, small work dw is equal to, generally formula work is equal to potential into charge. Now dw equal to v into dq. V is the potential, but the capacitance formula is the c equal to q by v. Now v equal to q by c. Here potential replace substitution of the q by c, means dw is equal to q by c into dq. Now integral on both sides. Integral on both means integral dw is equal to integral, here c is the constant, is the means 1 by c outside, integral q into dq. But here the small charge is the dq, means the total charge of the limits 0 to capital Q limits. Now integral dw is the w is equal to 1 by c, integral q is the q square by 2, limits 0 to capital Q applied, means w is equal to 1 by c into q square by 2. Now w is equal to half q square by c. Now we know the work done is equal to the energy. Now energy U equal to half q square by c. How much the capacity is storage of energy, means U equal to half q square by c. But if you any terms related one, q equal to also v is substitution, means U equal to 1 by 2. This relation based q equal to cv, means c square v square by c, means cc cancel, remaining U equal to of c v square. These are the energy of the with relation of the capacitance and potential. Here charge and capacitance relation, but and next the potential relations and want, means here U equal to of q square by c is the means q by v. C is the means q by v substitution, means q by v substitution, means now reciprocal method applied, U equal to of q cancel, means qv is there. These are the energy stored in a capacitor. Energy stored in the capacitor, charge and capacitance relation, and capacitance and potential relation, and charge and potential relation of the energy. These are the energies stored in the capacitor. Now what is the energy density? Energy density is the means energy per unit volume, energy by unit volume. Now here energy is the half c v square by volume is the area into distance, means a into d. Here a is the parallel capacitor of the plate of the area and d is the distance between of the two plates capacitor in between of distance is the d. Now already c equal to epsilon naught a by d we know, and v equal to ed relations having. Now these two relation is substitution of the energy density formula placed, means rho density is equal to half into c is the epsilon naught a by d into v square is the e square d square by denominator is the a into d. Now here d is coming to denominator, means here d square cancel, a cancel, remaining density is equal to of epsilon naught is. Here epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. E is the electric field. These are the explanation of the energy density of the capacitor. If anyone capacitor having, means that time the energy formula is equal to U equal to half CV square, energy density formula E equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square. If you suppose the potential of the charge is continuously passing through the capacitor, that time how much energy is lost? Here energy is lost, the two conditions have. If you suppose two capacitors of the terminals is connected with the positive to positive, what happened? Positive to negative is connected, what happened? Now loss of energy we will discuss. Now loss of energy. How much the energy is lost, means capacitor is connected with the battery, positive negative potential V, capacitance of positive terminal and negative terminal. Here capacitance of the charge is capital Q. Now if you how much energy is lost, if you loss of energy one, here the charge is continuously from the cell or battery to capacitor going time, work done is possibility. The work done W is equal to QV, and here charge is continuously moving time, the capacitor of the energy, capacitor G, U equal to half QV, already is explained for the previous. Now what is the loss of energy? Loss of energy is equal to the loss of energy is also heat of loss of energy, H equal to W minus U. W is the QV minus U is the half QV. Now heat energy is equal to QV by 2. The heat of the loss of energy is equal H equal to QV by 2. Here the loss of energy is the conditions having. The positive terminal positive is connected time, negative terminal negative connected time, what happened? And positive to negative, negative to positive connected time, what happened? The loss of energy. Now we will discuss. Now same terminals are connected. Now positive negative terminals having, positive to positive and negative to negative connected time. Here first one is the capacitor C1 and capacitor C2. Here potential V1 and potential is the V2. Here charge Q1, here charge Q2. After these connected, after here two capacitors is connected at the parallel time. Number of the capacitors is connected at parallel time. The capacitors of the potentials are same, means now here potential are same, means V potential same, capacitance C1 and capacitance C2. Here capacitor charge is the Q1 dash, here charge is Q2 dash. Now what is the explanation of both of the terminals are connected time? Is the charge of the capacitors are conserved, means charge are conserved. Now Q1 plus Q2 is equal to Q1 dash plus Q2 dash. Here already we know Q equal to, generally formula C equal to Q by V, Q equal to CV. Now here Q1 is equal to the C1 V1 plus Q2 is equal to the C2 V2 is equal Q1 dash is the C1V plus Q2 dash is C2V. Now here common term is the V outside means C1 V1 plus C2 V2 is equal to C1 plus C2 into V. Now if you connected of the positive to positive, negative to negative time, what happened? The potential of the means V I want. V equal to, now this term connected to left side means C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2. These are the potential. Now these potential based after how much energy is lost means loss of energy is del U equal to U initial minus U final. Del U is equal to initial of the energy, already energy formula we know of CV square. Here of CV square means of C1 V1 square plus of C2 V2 square. Next to minus of C1 V square minus of C2 V square. Now here what is the common term? Common term is the of is common term. Of is writing outside. Next C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square minus, here V square is the common means C1 plus C2 into V square. Now V is the already we have find out C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2 is substitution in V placed of C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square minus C1 plus C2 into V square is substitution means C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square by C1 plus C2 whole square. Now here C1 plus C2, C1 plus C2 cancelled. Remaining is the remaining denominator is the C1 plus C2 having LCM is considered na C1 plus C2. Now here of now C1 plus C2 into these terms continuously now C1 into C1 C1 square V1 square plus next C1 into C2 V2 square. C1 finish. Next C2 multiplied with C1 C2 V1 square plus C2 into C2 square V2 square. Here remaining A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is after total terms is plus coming, but here minus having. Now minus of C1 square V1 square minus of C2 square V2 square. Next here A 2AB means what? Minus 2A means C1 C2 V1 V2 by C1 plus C. Now here C1 square V1 square minus C1 square V1 square cancel. C2 square V2 square minus C2 square V2 square cancel. Remaining is the of here C1 C2 having, here C1 C2 having, here C1 C2 having. Common term is the C1 C2 is the common term by C1 plus C2. Remaining is the V1 square V2 square and minus 2 V1 V2. V1 square plus V2 square minus 2 V1 V2. Now A square plus B square minus 2AB. This term is the A minus B whole square term. Now del U is equal to of C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. These are the laws of energy at the same terminals are connected, positive to positive, negative to negative time. The potential is V equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2, and the loss of energy is of C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. As similarly method in opposite terminals are connected. Similarly, opposite terminals connected time, the potential is the V equal to C1 V1 minus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2 is coming. Because of the opposite terminals are connected time, the charge are conserved is the Q1 minus Q2. Q1 minus Q2 considered means that time here C1 V1 minus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2 is coming. Next, how much is the loss of energy opposite terminals connected time? The loss of energy is that del U is equal, here plus is coming, of C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 into V1 plus V2 whole square. These are the opposite terminals are connected of the loss of energy. These are the explanation of the loss of energy at the same terminals connected time and opposite terminals are connected time. Totally, what is the explanation of energy stored in a capacitor means? Energy stored in a capacitor time, energy we have find out, that energy is the energy density per unit volume also we have find out. The energy density volume after, if any one of the charge for positive terminal to negative terminals continuously changing time, how much the loss of energy having means, generally loss of energy is equal to the QV by 2, but if you suppose the positive terminal to positive terminal, negative to negative terminal is connected to them, the loss of the potential is the V equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2. That time if your terminals are continuously charge is going time, the loss of energy is equal of C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. If you suppose the terminals are interchangingly connected, positive to negative, negative to positive connected time, the potential is the V equal to C1 V1 minus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2. The loss of energy is of C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 into V1 plus V2 whole square. These are the explanation of the, if at any one of the capacitor having means energy related terms totally. Thank you for watching this video.